I'm Antonella Massini, and I'm a mechanical engineer at Formlabs. I'm mainly doing like R&D, trying to design things that will work and that will improve the printer. I majored in mechanical engineering in June of 2021. Was the pandemic, not great. I think as a first job, I like how it's here that you always have someone kind of like to guide you, especially during the first months. Also, the fact that everyone is very open and I feel free to ask whatever I want to know without feeling like dumb or silly, which is something that I really appreciate. I like the fact that it's not super small, that there's a lot of people you can talk with, but I also really like that it's not huge. So I think it's nice because whenever I have a question and I know that these people like know very well about this topic, so I just ask them. That's something special that Formlabs has, that is like the best of small companies and like big companies. Like Formlabs have very good facilities. We have a machine shop, which you can use basically whenever. I've seen people going even during the weekends to do personal projects. I have been there too. It's super fun. I would also say that the people in Formlabs are really amazing. I made friends so fast, and now I just like eat lunch with them or even bounce ideas with them when we are like eating or going out or something like that. So I will say it's a little bit about the work and also a little bit about the people working here. I don't know anyone at Formlabs who is just here because it's a job. I think that people actually enjoy it. So I think that if you're looking for a place where you don't go just because you need money, but because you like what you have studied and you like your career, then I would say that Formlabs is a good place to go.